Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back for a totally brand new video, and welcome here in Geneva as always. For today, I finally got it. There it is, my first time getting the G-Wagon. This is the old brand new 2020 G63 AMG, and it's not any G63 AMG. As you can already spot, here are like some few touches, but this is the G63 40 years edition, the 40 years jubilee. So it's a very special car that we're just going to take a look, discover full in deep inside and outside. But yeah, that one is already spectacular, and it's pretty rare to see those cars on the road. So yeah, without waiting, let's get started. So yeah, this is, you know, when you are in a G-Wagon. Let's get started. All right. So as you can see already, we do have some, we have the scroll as well. We're just going to start on the Sport Plus. The vaults are already open, and you have everything that is literally changing, as you can see. Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and that's the max. These little stuffs are really cool. If you'd like to switch everything for very quickly, you also have this dynamic on these kind of scrolls, but it's better that you use these stuffs on the. It's always beeping when you start the car, and I don't really know why. Okay, so let's get started. This is also when the G-Wagon locks itself, and yeah, stronger than time edition. Today also a very beautiful day in Geneva, middle of sort of winter, but the sun, everything here is pretty nice. We have like the whole 4 seasons at the same time. It can be rain, it can be sunny like that, and it can turn with the snow. But anyway, this G-Wagon in this full white is absolutely beautiful, really imposing, really a good presence on the road. And listen the noise. Wow, the noise of this 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine is just insane. It pushes you so much that the car from 0 to 100 goes in only 4.5 seconds. This is really insane. The engine itself, 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, 585 horsepower for 850 Newton meters of torque, which is just phenomenal and tremendously fast. 40 years edition means that we currently have some quite options, some specification, some special options just right here aboard the car, and that is totally a bit different. It's not written 40 years all over the car, but as you can spot, you already have on the front of the car, you have these 20 inches forged silver rims. They're like kind of two-tone, and you have silver, and just between all around you have black, which is just pretty nice as well. And these are like small details as well. On the mirrors, you do have some old silver all around the car, like all around the mirrors. It's like you have the silver touches, but it's not like this is the 40 years anniversary, but you have some touches just literally all around in the front of the car, near to the grille. There's like some silver touches as well. At the same time, you have this Pan America grille as well, and which is really tremendous, are these old brand new LED lights after the new generation, after the whole facelift of the car, which is just better and better. The car itself is pretty huge. It has a lot of presence on the road as well. Currently having it here, and full tinted windows, which adds a better look to the car, a more aggressive look that you know that you can go everywhere with it and all over. The car is totally brand new, so it's not yet break it in, so you cannot also push mega hard. But yeah, the car itself is tremendously huge. Also on the rear you do have this quite huge wheel, which is just typical for the G-Wagons as well. And you have all these small these small rear LED lights that are just making the half of the circle as well, but mega typical for the G, that you can recognize them as well. And you have these 4 exhaust tips. They're not on the back, they're like in the middle of the car, and you have 2 on each side, and that you can hear better the exhaust sound of the engine, because they're like really next to, which is just super great. Yeah, as well, just getting inside, you have this beautiful fully nicely finished fully in Alcantara, as you can spot. There is a lot of options typically for this car, and you have this also this sky, like this open roof as well. That is adding more light into the car. I do love how the car is finished as well on the inside. You have a lot of carbon, but on the back and on the front as well, you have these two-tone seats, which is very cool as well. And you have so plenty space inside of the car just for the boot. 454 liters of capacity, so the boot is really tremendous. The boot is mega huge, and you can fit so many stuffs inside and just all aboard. You have a lot of carbon fiber touches on the doors, in the middle console, and also for the inside you do have this quite special logo, stronger than time. Stronger than time badge edition. And even though everything stays exactly the same, the old steering wheel is totally different, as you can notice. Now you have all the AMG steering wheels with all those options that you already have onboarded. Even on the front you have this G10, this sort of gray, very beautiful, with the AMG, with the squares, with the diamonds, and it's gray and the black pearl, gray and black pearl colors aboard this G. And this G is really beautifully spec'd. I really appreciate it. But the price is quite high as well, 330,000 Swiss francs. Which is really a lot, but it's a G63, and that you have a wait of around 1 year deadline time to just get this G. So it's up to you. It's already that car is present. A massive thanks also to Group Chevrolet Mercedes Geneva, where this car you can find it already right there. So yeah guys, hope that you totally appreciated this all brand new video with this very special G-Wagon. Also my very first time driving that car, and hope that you guys appreciate it. So yeah, don't forget to leave a subscribe button, leave a like, click the subscribe button as well, and hope to see you for a new brand video without waiting, without any other surprises, because I never know what car I'm going to get. So yeah, hope that you guys are going to stay tuned on the channel, and hope to see you very soon. Bye.